we are going to start with chapter 5 Shapes and Pictures in MS Word part 4. In this video we are going to study about change the color of a line, make a line dashed, change the weight of a line, etc. So let's begin. Change the color, style and weight of a line. You can change the look of a line shape by changing its color, line style or weight. Change the color of a line. Select the line that you want to change. After that, if you want to change multiple lines, select the first line and then press and hold Ctrl key while you select the other lines. Children, if you want to change multiple lines, then you have to select the first line and then press and hold the Ctrl key which is present on the keyboard while you select the other lines. After that, under Drawing Tools on the Format tab in the Shape Style group, click the arrow next to Shape Outline and then click the color you want. This is the Format tab. Click on the Format tab and this part is called the Shapes group. Go on Shapes group and click on Shape Outline option. Then a color dialog box will be appeared. From here, select any one color that you want. In this way, you can change the color of a line. Make a line dashed. Select the line that you want to change. Under Drawing Tool on the Format tab in the Shape Style group, click the arrow next to Shape Outline. Point to dashes and then click the line style that you want. To create a custom style, click More Lines and then choose the option that you want. First, children, you have to select the line that you want to change. After that, click on the Format tab and then go on Shape Style group. This part is called the Shape Styles group. Click the arrow next to Shape Outline. This is the Shape Outline option and click here on the arrow. When you click on Shape Outlines, a color dialog box will be appeared. From this menu, click the line style that you want. From here, click any one line style that you want to apply to the line. If you want to create a custom style, click on More Lines. This is the More Line option. Click on this More Lines and then choose the option that you want. In this way, you can make a line dashed. Change the weight of a line. Select the line that you want to change. Under Drawing Tools on the Format tab in the Shape Styles group, click the arrow next to Shape Outline. Point to weight and then click the line weight that you want. To create a custom line weight, click More Lines and then choose the option that you want. Look at this picture, children. First, you have to select the line like this that you want to change. Second step, under Drawing Tools on the Format tab, this is the Drawing Tool, children. Click on Drawing Tool and this is the Format tab. Click on this Format tab, then move the cursor on Shape Style group. After that, click the arrow next to Shape Outline. This is the Shape Outline option and click on this arrow. When you click on Shape Outline option, you will get a sub-menu. From this sub-menu, click on Weight option, point to weight and then click the line weight that you want like this. From here, select any one. To create a custom line weight, click on More Lines. This is the More Line option. Click on this More Line option to create a custom line weight. In this way, children, you can change the weight of a line. Inserting picture from file. Click Picture command under Insert group. Insert Picture dialog box opens. MS Word searches the picture in default library. Look at this picture, children. This is the Insert tab. Click on Insert tab first. Then click on Picture option. When you click on this picture tool, after that you have to select Insert picture from file. Click on this Insert picture from file. MS Word searches the picture in default library. If you do not find picture in libraries, you can look for the picture in the folders present in computer. Select the picture and click Insert button. The selected picture will be inserted in your document. Children, when you click on Insert Picture option, a Insert Picture dialog box will be appear on the screen as shown in figure. From picture library, select any one picture and then click on Insert button. This is the Insert button and click on this Insert button. The selected picture will be inserted in your document. In this way, children, you can insert picture from file. Inserting clip art. On the Insert tab in the illustration group, click Clip Art. In the Clip Art task pane, in the Search for text box, type a word or a phrase that describes the clip art that you want to type in all or some of the file name of the clip art. In the list of results, click the clip art to insert it. Click on Go button. Look at this picture, children. To insert a clip art in your document, you have to click on Insert tab. This is the Insert tab. Click on this Insert tab. Then move your cursor on the illustration group. This is the illustration group. From here, click on Clip Art option. This is the Clip Art option. When you click on Clip Art option, a Clip Art task pane will be appear like this. This is the search text box. In this search text box, you have to type the text or a phrase that describes the clip art that you want. Then click on Go button. This is the Go button. You have to click on this Go button. After that, in the list of results, click the clip art to insert. This is the list of results. From here, click on the clip art to insert it in your document. In this way, you can insert clip art in your document. Word art. Word art is decorative text that you can add to a document. You can make changes to word art such as the font size and the text color by using the drawing tools option available automatically after you insert or select the word art in a document. Inserting word art. Let us know the step, children, how to insert a word art in your document. The first step is click where you want to insert decorative text in a document. Second step, on the Insert tab in the text group, click Word Art. Third step, click any word art style and start to type. Fourth, select the font and font of your choice from the Edit Word Art text dialog box. Children, first you click on the drawing area to insert a decorative text in a document. After that, click on Insert tab, then move your cursor on the text group and click on Word Art option. This is the Word Art option. Click on this Word Art option. After that, select the font and font of your choice from the Edit Word Art text dialog box. This is the Word Art dialog box. Select any one word style from here like this. After that, children, this is the Edit Word Art text dialog box. From here, you can change the font style and from here, you can change the font size. In this way, children, you can edit the word art text here in the Edit Word Art text box. At last, you have to click on this OK button. This is the OK button. Click on this OK button. In this way, you can insert a word art in your document, children. It's all for today. In next video, we will start with practical session. Till then, bye bye.